Let us learn how to write formulae of simple compounds. Simple compounds which are made up of two different elements are called binary compounds. Valencies of some ions are given in table 3.6. Already we have seen. You use these to write formulae for compounds. While writing the chemical formulae for compounds, you should write the constituent elements and their valencies as shown below. Then you should crisscross the valencies of the combining atoms. Some examples are given. Let us learn how to write the formulae. Example 1. Formula of hydrogen chloride. Symbol for hydrogen H, chlorine Cl. Valency of hydrogen 1, then Cl 1. After that, you crisscross the valencies, you will get the formula of the compound as HCl. Second one, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen symbol H, sulfur S. Below the symbol, you write the valency. For hydrogen 1, sulfur 2. Crisscross the valencies, the formula will be H2S. Third one, formula of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon symbol C, chlorine symbol Cl. Below the carbon, write the valency of carbon as 4 and Cl 1. Crisscross the valencies, you will get the formula as CCl4. For magnesium chloride, write the symbol of cation Mg2 plus first, followed by the symbol of anion Cl minus. Then their charges are crisscrossed to get the formula. For example, we are going to write the formula of the same, that is magnesium chloride. Magnesium symbol Mg, chlorine symbol Cl. Charge for Mg 2 plus and Cl 1 minus. Crisscross the charges, you will get the formula as MgCl2. Thus, in magnesium chloride, there are two chloride ions Cl minus for each magnesium ion Mg2 plus. The positive and negative charges must be balanced. Then, the overall structure must be neutral. Note that in the formula, the charges on the ions are not indicated. Some more examples are given. How to write the formula of aluminium oxide, calcium oxide, sodium nitrate, calcium hydroxide. First one, aluminium oxide. Formula of aluminium oxide. Symbol of aluminium Al, oxygen O. Charge 3 plus for aluminium and oxygen 2 minus. Crisscross the charges, you will get the formula as Al2O3. Formula for calcium oxide. Symbol of calcium Ca, oxygen O. Charge Ca2 plus, for oxygen also 2 minus. The valencies of the two elements are the same. So you are getting the formula as Ca2O2, but we simplify the formula as CaO. Formula of sodium nitrate. Simple bar formula given since it has element and polyatomic ion. Sodium symbol Na and nitrate NO3. Charges 1 plus for Na and 1 minus for NO3. After crisscrossing, we get the formula as NaNO3. Similarly, for calcium hydroxide, calcium symbol Ca, hydroxide OH, charge 2 plus for Ca and OH 1 minus. Crisscross the valencies, that is charges, you will get the formula as CaOH twice. While writing, it should be written as CaOH twice, not as CaOH2. We use brackets when we have two or more of the same ions in the formula. Here, the bracket around OH with a subscript 2 indicates that there are two hydroxyl groups joined to one calcium atom. In other words, there are two atoms, each of oxygen and hydrogen in calcium hydroxide. Formula of sodium carbonate. Sodium symbol Na, carbonate CO3. Charges for Na1 plus and CO3 2 minus. Crisscross, you'll get the formula as Na2CO3. In the above example, brackets are not needed if there is only one ion present. Next, formula of ammonium sulfate, ammonium NH4, sulfate SO4, charge 1 plus for NH4 and 2 minus for SO4. Crisscross, you'll get the formula as NH4 twice SO4. Let us discuss in text questions. Page number 39. First question, write down the formulae of first one sodium oxide, second aluminum chloride, third sodium sulfide, fourth one magnesium hydroxide. Answer, sodium oxide Na2O, aluminum chloride AlCl3, sodium sulfide Na2S, magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. Question number 2. Write down the names of compounds represented by the following formulae. First one Al2SO4 thrice, second CaCl2, third K2SO4, fourth one KNO3, fifth one CaCO3. Answer, Al2SO4 thrice, aluminum sulfate, CaCl2 calcium chloride, K2SO4 potassium sulfate, KNO3 potassium nitrate, CaCO3 calcium carbonate. Question number 3. What is meant by the term chemical formula? The shorthand notation or representation of a compound or element is called its chemical formula. It represents the composition of a molecule of the substance in terms of the symbols of the elements present in the molecule. For example, ammonia is a compound and its chemical formula is N-3. Question number 4. How many atoms are present in a first one H2S molecule, second PO4 2 minus ion? Answer, H2S molecule is equal to 3 atoms, contains 3 atoms. Second one PO4 3 minus ion has 5 atoms, P1 and 4O, totally 5 atoms. Take it down as a homework. Write in a paper as a home assignment. Next one, molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is therefore the relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass unit U. Let us understand by an example. Example 3.1. Calculate the relative molecular mass of water H2O. B. Calculate the molecular mass of HNO3. Solution. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1U. Oxygen is equal to 16U. So the molecular mass of water, which contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, which is equal to 18U. B. The molecular mass of HNO3 is equal to the atomic mass of H plus the atomic mass of N plus 3 into atomic mass of O, which is equal to 1 plus 14 plus 48, which is equal to 63U. Next, how to calculate the formula unit mass. And what is formula unit mass? Formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. Formula unit mass is calculated in the same manner as we calculate the molecular mass. The only difference is that we use the word formula in it for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. For example, sodium chloride, as discussed above, has the formula NaCl. Formula unit mass of NaCl is equal to 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5. That is mass of Na plus mass of Cl, which is equal to 58.5 U. Second example, calculate the formula unit mass of CaCl2. Solution: atomic mass of Ca plus 2 into atomic mass of Cl, which is equal to 40 plus 2 into 35.5 is equal to 40 plus 71 is equal to 111 U.